When you enroll in a Nexamp Community Solar program, you will be spending less on electricity and making a positive impact on the environment without the need to install rooftop panels. Let's walk through some key aspects and benefits of being a Nexamp subscriber. Nexamp does not replace your current utility provider. Your current utility will continue to deliver electricity to your home. You do not need to contact your utility about your new subscription. We will do that on your behalf. Setting up your account. To get you started, we will need to review your energy usage. In order to do this, we will ask you to provide your utility information such as your account number and past monthly energy usage. This helps us to allocate the right amount of solar panels for you and maximize your savings. Assigning you to a solar farm. This will take about 4 months, but it could be longer if your farm is still under construction. For this reason, your savings are not immediate. Once your utility approves your placement on the farm, your savings will begin. You will see a new line item on your bill that reduces what you owe. These are your community solar credits. Receiving and paying your Nexamp invoice. About a month after you first see community solar credits applied to your utility bill, you will pay a separate bill from Nexamp for those credits at a 10 to 15% discount depending on your state, which is how Nexamp helps you save on electricity costs. Generating community solar credits throughout the year. The credits you receive are based on the amount of energy that is produced by your portion of the solar farm, not on the amount of energy used in your home. This generation will vary throughout the year based on how much sunlight there is. During the summer, when the sun shines longer and brighter, our solar farms produce more energy. This may result in extra solar credits applied to your bill, potentially making it slightly higher. However, any extra credits you earn can be banked for the winter months when solar production decreases, helping to offset your electricity costs. Tracking your savings. You can manage your subscription, make payments, and track lifetime savings and carbon impact through the Nexamp portal. With your Nexamp subscription, you will feel great knowing you are saving money while supporting clean energy in your community.